Hey guys, it is I, Toto the Dog here, owner of the OC Sega family, and I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. I am going to be reacting to an SML video. You'll probably know what it is, but yeah, let's get right into this. I already got the link set up, so let me go ahead and put that in. Can I not have any problems? Thank you. Now move this. Now alright. Let me go sit down.
So guys, what do you want to do today?
Junior, there's this new TV show called Blue's Clues, and we have to watch it. It's about this blue dog that solves crimes, and there's this guy who can jump inside paintings, and he can talk to food seasonings, and sometimes he even gets mail and he can talk to it.
That's not a real show.
Junior, I promise it is.
Well, I want to watch it. Help me find the remote. Okay. Where's the TV remote?
I remember watching that show.
Junior, the TV's turned off now.
What? Why are you doing that? Is my house possessed by ghosts? Don't do that shit! It's a ghost house!
Yeah, it's strange.
It's dead!
Wait, stop.
Okay, well maybe it's just a glitch in the TV. Alright, that's fine, I know.
Wait, look, now the volume's going up.
Yeah, be a ghost!
Wait, Jeffy, is there a remote in your pants?
No, I'm just rocking a full solid right now. Some people tuck it in their waistband, but I tuck mine in my collar.
Wait, hold on. It is in your pants, Jeffy!
Oh, honest mistake. I thought it was something else.
Alright, Cody, I'm gonna switch to the channel. Tell me when you find the show.
Ooh, wait, Jimmy, the news!
Breaking news, King! Floyd Mayweather has made $100 million fighting Logan Paul.
What? I got $100 million just to fight someone?
I'll fight someone for $100 million.
Dude, how much Cody for $100 million? Where's my $100 million?
Where's my $100 million?
Yeah, that's like $300 million right there.
Guys, nobody's gonna pay you $100 million just to hit me.
Well, I got $100 million to hit someone.
That's because he's a professional boxer and he won 50 times.
I'll fight 50 people for $100 million.
Yeah, so if I record Jeffy fighting 50 people, will he get $100 million?
No, because he's not a boxer.
Well, the Paul guy's not a boxer. He got money.
Oh, I guess that's true.
Wait, so if I record Jeffy knocking out 50 people, they'll give us $100 million.
Well, I mean, if you show him the video, he might accept a fight.
Okay, so Jeffy, I'm gonna grab my phone and I'm gonna record you knocking out 50 people.
Let's do it.
Alright, guys, I got my phone. Jeffy, you ready to knock some people out?
Yeah, let's do it.
Who's he gonna knock out first, Junior?
Joseph, you're up first.
Wait, what me? I don't wanna get knocked out.
Because, Joseph, we have to knock out 50 people. That's a lot of people. And plus, Jeffy's gonna split the money, right?
Yeah, because you guys are helping me.
That's $100 million split 4 ways. That's $25 million. You're saying you're not gonna get knocked out for $25 million?
I guess.
Alright, so I want you and Jeffy to fight, alright? Round 1, fight!
Oh, feels great. First round TKO, totally called it.
Oh yeah, you're gonna fight someone else next.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go fight Chef Pete, alright?
Alright, let's do it.
Oh my god, this looks so good! Oh, I think it's missing a few more goldfish.
Hey, Chef Pete!
Junior, why are you recording me?
How's it feel to win again?
Feels great, totally called it. 2 times in a row, 2 KO.
Yeah, 2-0, 2-0! Oh, how'd you feel about that?
It didn't really seem fair. He didn't even see it coming.
You gotta watch out for that left hook, it's really powerful.
While you're cooking?
Yep, even while you're cooking. The first rule of boxing is always be prepared.
Well, who's he gonna knock out now, Junior?
Call your parents.
I'm not letting him knock out my parents.
You're not gonna be knock out your parents. It's up to you if your parent can fight or not.
Well, my mom is pretty scrappy.
Look, call your parents and we're gonna knock them out right at the door. You get 2-in-1 fight.
Okay.
Hello?
Hey there, Cody said we should come over.
Hey, you recording us? Cause I don't consent. I got a warrant.
Oh, I've always wanted to be on television. Hello, world. My name is Judy. I'm single.
What you say, woman? Alright, Jeffy, go.
Ding ding! Ain't nobody can hit my woman but me. Ding ding!
Oh, 4-0! 4-0! Oh, undefeated! Woo! Jeffy, how feel to be 4-0 undefeated.
Amazing, Junior!
Are my parents okay? I didn't want to watch.
Oh, they drop like flies.
Well, can we at least knock out your parents now? Or at least your dad, since you don't have a mom?
Cody, trust me, if I had a mom, I'd knock her out for $25 million.
Well, Jimmy, do you really think it's worth all the money to give 50 people brain damage?
Yeah? It's $25 million, Cody. Alright, Jeffy, you're gonna knock out my dad next, okay?
Let's do it!
Let's go.
Charlie and Friends was filmed in front of a live audience.
Oh, hi, guys. I'm Charlie.
Hi,
Today, I'm getting high.
Oh my god. Literally getting high.
Look, guys. Look at how high I am.
Oh,
Charlie, you're so funny.
Alright, Jeffy, there's my dad in bed. I want you to put him to sleep.
You want me to read him a bedtime story first?
Yeah, read him the 3 Little Pigs.
Alright. Well, the first little piggy built his house out of straw. And the second little piggy built his house out of bricks. And the third little piggy just hired me to stand outside of his house.
Man, what are you guys doing here?
Oh! 5-0! 5-0 undefeated! Champion undefeated! Woo! Woo!
Did he knock out your dad?
Oh yeah, he put him to sleep.
That night.
He gave him that one piece of no honey mustard.
No biscuit, no drink, he got ripped off.
Well, who are you gonna knock out next?
Anyone who steps in front of me?
Well, Jeffy, you kind of been knocking out nobodies. Nobody's gonna think you're a real fighter. You need to knock out like a celebrity, somebody that everybody knows.
What celebrity is gonna let you knock him out?
My dad was watching Charlie and Friends. What if he knocks out Charlie from Charlie and Friends?
What, you really think he'd let you do that?
Yeah, we just gotta find him.
Well, I'm pretty sure he records his episodes in your house, so let's just go downstairs and get him.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Alright, Jeffy, you're about to do your first celebrity boxing match. How do you feel?
Feeling good, Junior. About to go 6-0.
How are you feeling?
Oh, hi, guys. I'm Charlie.
Where's the crowd from? Wait, why do you have a box?
Oh, I thought we were boxing.
Yeah, that's a good one. I know that.
Uh-oh.
Oh! 6-0! 6-0! Oh! Undefeated! Woo! 6-0! You just knocked out Charlie and Friends!
Well, he knocked out Charlie, not all his friends.
Oh! Jeffy, you should have knocked out all of Charlie's friends. That would have been a lot of people.
Oh, man.
Well, who are you gonna knock out now, Jeffy?
Well, we haven't knocked out my mommy and daddy yet.
Oh, yeah, let's go fight your mom and dad.
Let's do it.
These aren't really fights, he's just kind of hitting people.
It doesn't matter. He's undefeated. They can always hit him back. They're choosing not to fight back. Come on.
Marvin, didn't I do a good job making dinner tonight?
Yep, you did a really good job putting these pizza rolls in the oven for 15 minutes.
Aw, thank you! Jeffy, time for dinner!
Wait, Jeffy, why do you have boxing gloves on? Ding, ding! What? Jeffy, you can't hit her like that! Ding, ding! Ah! Woo! Jeffy is now 8-0.
Who can beat me? Who can beat me?
I don't know, maybe somebody who can actually fight back?
Well, Cody, you just sound jealous. Look, we only have to knock out 42 more people.
What, before he gets life in jail?
No, before he can fight Floyd Mayweather and get us $100 million.
Jimmy, there's no way we can show him knocking out 42 more people. It would take like an hour.
Oh, you're right. We need a montage. It's montage time!
Ooh, good old montage. Nice song, baby. Bam, bam, bam.
How many people did he knock out, Jimmy?
I think he's 31-0.
Oh, great, he only needs 19 more.
Jeffy, do it.
Okay.
Ow!
Do you give up?
Yes!
Oh, 32-0.
Oh, great, now you only need 18 more.
Where are we going to find 18 more people to knock out?
Breaking news, okay? There's a crazy lunatic that is running around and punching people in the face. If you see this man, call 911 immediately. Oh. 33-0.
Oh my God, Jeffy! Now you only need 17 more and you can fight Floyd Mayweather.
Junior, didn't you see the news? He's wanted by the police. You have to stop this.
No, we just have a few more. We can fight Floyd Mayweather for $100 million.
Junior, that's not gonna happen.
There's someone at the door. Jeffy, come on. It might be Floyd Mayweather. You can knock him out.
It's not Floyd.
Hello, Floyd Mayweather?
Yeah, I'm looking for Jeffy.
Oh, no, he comes, Junior! You can't arrest us now. We're so close.
Okay, so he is the one who's been knocking people out.
Yeah, but it's for a good reason. Don't arrest us.
Oh, I'm not here to arrest you. I'm here to thank you. See, one of the people he knocked out happened to be my wife, and I've been wanting to do that for years. God, she is so annoying.
But why did you knock out my wife?
Well, because we want to fight Floyd Mayweather and be like him.
Oh, well, I guess that's one way to do it. I mean, he knocked out his wife and now he's got millions of dollars.
Exactly. So we thought if we could knock out 50 people on camera, Floyd Mayweather would fight us for $100 million.
Oh, well, I mean, if you need to knock out somebody else, if I get knocked out on duty, I get to go home, and I get a Purple Heart.
Oh, so Jeffy can knock you out?
Yeah, sure.
I'll do it, Jeffy.
All right, sweet.
34 no! 34 no!
Who was at the door, Junior? Was it Floyd Mayweather?
No, it was a cop, and Jeffy knocked him out.
He did what? Okay, Junior, this has gone too far. I don't want to be a part of this anymore.
You have to be a part of it. You're next to be knocked out.
No, I already got hit.
Well, you have glasses, so you're like you have two sets of eyes, so you count as two people.
What? No, Junior, it's your turn to get knocked out.
Well, that's gonna hurt. I don't want to get hit.
Well, yeah, of course it's gonna hurt, Junior, but you have to do it.
No, I can find 16 more people. Where can I find 16 more people? The people watching this video! Oh, yeah! You can knock them out! Alright, guys, everyone at home, put your nose up against the glass, okay, of your phone, of the TV, or the computer, whatever your watch is on. Put your nose up against the glass, and Jenny's gonna knock you out.
Okay, come on.
Oh! You just got knocked out! You just got knocked out! That's like $1 million. That's like $1 million or $2 million. How many views this video got? That's how many people Jeffy just knocked out.
Oh, yeah, Junior.
And if you hit the like button, that means you just got back up and it didn't hurt, and you're awesome and you have a lot of friends.
But if you hit the dislike button, it means you have no friends.
Yeah, if you hit the dislike button, that means you got knocked out and you have no friends, and you're not cool, and you're not cool. So if you hit the dislike button, you're dumb. But if you hit the like button, that means you got back up and you said that didn't hurt at all, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure, dude.
Yeah. So I think we have all the proof we need to fight for Mayweather. So let's call Steve Staleberger, get this fight set up, and show him all the footage I got.
Well, let's do it.
Hello?
Hello, it's me, Steve Staleberger.
Maybe he'll get up soon, Jeffy.
That was some hit, kid.
Well, Jeffy, that's what hit him again. Now it's going to take forever for him to wake up.
Those were some hits, kid. So why'd you call me?
Well, me and Jeffy went around and I recorded him knocking out as many people as I could. He knocked out like 30 people on camera, but then he knocked out 1 million people around the world.
He knocked out 1 million people?
Yep, and he's never been defeated, so we want to fight Floyd Mayweather for $100 million.
Well, Floyd Mayweather's retired.
What, retired? Why?
Well, he just did his last fight, so he's done. Yesterday's news.
Well, then who can we fight for $100 million?
Well, you could fight D-Money. He's never lost.
Oh, Jeffy can definitely knock him out, right?
Yeah, well, I can take D-Money.
Okay, but I have to warn you. D-Money's knocked out more people than just an unexpected old man on your front doorstep.
Well, it doesn't matter. Jeffy can knock out anyone. I've seen him knock out a lot of people.
Okay, I'll set it up for tonight, and whoever wins gets $100 million.
Oh my God, Jeffy, you're about to fight D-Money for $100 million.
Yeah.
$100 million.
Hello and welcome to Living Room Boxing. We couldn't get a boxing ring on such short notice, so we're doing it in the living room. In the left corner, my left, we have, with a record of 65-0, weighing at 180 pounds, D-Money.
Oh, 65-0, undefeated champion of the world, 100 million every fight, 100 million every night. Woo!
And in the right corner, my right, we have, with a record of 2,000,000, weighing at 110 pounds, Jeffy.
My balls itch, and I can't itch them with these gloves.
All right, boxers, please meet in the middle of the living room. All right, gentlemen, we're going to have infinite rounds until somebody gets knocked out, because that's what the world wants to see. All right, get ready, gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, you ready to go? Let's go, man. Oh, look at you. About to get knocked out, too. Ooh, just got it 4 times. Ooh, again. You ain't want this. Oh, come on, man. Fight back. Oh, man, stop trying to help me, man. Get on, man. Let's go. Let's go. Where am I? I'm over here. Oh, look at you right there. Stop, man. Stop trying to help me, man. Oh, yeah, man. You trying to kiss me?
I can't believe what I'm seeing here, folks. Jeffy just defeated the undefeated, well, now defeated D-Money. How's it feel, kid?
It all feels great. Yeah, kind of warm out in the beginning. Had to throw some blocks.
And then I kissed him. He wasn't expecting that, so I felt like I got the upper hand on that one. And then I finished him off with a strong uppercut in the end, and there he is.
Well, Jeffy, you just won $100 million.
Oh yeah, that feels good too, but taxes sucks. I probably can eat about half of that, but we'll be alright. Woo! Jeffy won $100 million!
This is totally worth it.
Woo! I'm just gonna lay on my money all day.
You mean my money?
What are you doing here?
Remember when he punched me in the face on the news?
Yeah?
Well, my face is insured for over $100 million, so I'm suing you for $100 million.
Oh man, we're gonna lose all this money that Jeffy just won. We just have to fight 50 more people so we can win this money again. Ooh, Jeffy, they're still watching. Punch him in the face so we can win the money.
Well, I guess that's it. Yeah, that's it. Alright then. Well, it is Toto the Dog here. Hope you guys enjoyed that reaction. Let me know if you actually enjoyed this reaction on VR chat, on VR. And let me know if you want more from Toto the Hedgehog, or me, you know? The human version of me. So let me know if you want more. I'm Toto the Dog here, signing off. See you later, my family. And I love you all. Wait, okay, let me just do something. See you guys in the next video. Chaos Control.